Hi everyone, in this video we'll solve a small problem in XML++. That is, sometimes the external keyboards are not working in XML++. How to solve this problem? So this happens mostly with the Bluetooth keyboards that you have connected to your laptop. For example, here I have, let me choose the text bar over here and try to type it using my external keyboard which I have connected with via Bluetooth, but it's not working. So you can see, you can hear that actually I'm typing, but obviously it's not going to be detecting. But if I type it in my laptop, that does actually detect it. So how to solve this problem? Just go to the edit button over here, just go to the preferences, and under that preferences you see that there's an input system over there, and here you see that a lot of inputs that I have here, and among them we have Logitech wireless mouse and also Logitech keyboard. You see that Logitech wireless mouse has been detected as mouse rightly, that's okay. But Logitech wireless keyboard has been also detected as mouse, which is not supposed to be happening. Now, how do you solve this problem? Simply just go to the down arrow mark and then just disable it. That's all. Just hit OK. Now, when I come and then click on other places or even the same thing and type it in my external keyboard, and that works. That's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.